Hey everybody, John Woolworth here. I've lived along the coast of South Carolina for 18 years now, and I've never made the short drive west to the mountains during the peak of autumn colors. So this year, I decided I wasn't going to miss it again. I rearranged my schedule, called a friend to see if he wanted to travel, and set off. My goal was to get epic photos and especially drone footage of the mountains lit up in all their glory. I didn't know where specifically we were going. I was just going to let the colors dictate where we went. Well, I wasn't disappointed. I got some of the best landscape photos I've ever had the pleasure of taking, and the drone footage was amazing. Please enjoy what I found through my lens, and as usual, if you enjoy this, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So we found a campsite. We weren't really thinking about it in that everybody and their grandmother was going to be up here looking at fall colors this weekend. And so all the campsites were closed, even the ones that were really primitive out in the middle of Podunk here, which is where we are. But as soon as we started praying, one opened up. So, and it's gorgeous. I mean, look at this spot here. So I'm going to drag the mattress out and probably sleep on the ground. And then we're going to get an early start and do some more shooting the autumn colors. This is a great campsite, so really thankful we found it. Managed to get the drone up a lot today. This place was absolutely stunning, so really thrilled. It is definitely getting colder. We're up in the pretty high mountains right now, and yeah, it's already dropped about 10 degrees in the last hour, so it's going to be cold. This is gorgeous down here. Oh, this is just beautiful. What a blessing this is. Oh yeah, there's the bathtub. I bet you that water is cold. Yeah, you're bougieing it up a little bit.
That's all good.
This is my campsite here. Sleeping bag on a pee-stained mattress. No, not quite, but it is stained, but it's not from pee.
Gotcha.
It was sitting in the teardrop camper and it leaked quite a bit, so.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, and there's the palace over there. Oh, I think I am going to get changed and I am going to get in the water.
Really?
Yeah, I am.
It's all good. Good and warm. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's good for you.
That is, even by my standards, that's cold. Woo! Oh.
That's a plunge.
This water is no more than 50 degrees, I guarantee it. All right, I'm cold. I'm getting out. Our campsite was one of the most beautiful campsites I've ever stayed at, and the cold night was absolutely worth it for the scenery we woke up to as the first light hit the yellows and oranges of the forest canopy. I took the opportunity to get some still shots, as the low light allowed me to get some long exposures with the still camera. I also flew my drone up through the forest canopy and caught the first rays of the sun shining over the vibrant mountain ridges. We spent the rest of the day exploring around the Pisgah National Forest and the Blue Ridge Parkway. I'm just going to show you now some of the truly stunning areas we saw and let you enjoy the footage.